So what is Power Pivot? It's what I have written. It's a more powerful than your pivot table option that you can create pivot table from two or more tables. So what is this feature, from where it is coming, Power Pivot? So how can you go through this? If this is not available at your end, just click on the ribbon bar and click right click, customize the ribbon, and then in the main tab there is an option called Power Pivot. It may be unticked, just tick that and click OK. Then this feature will be available to you, Power Pivot. Now we will understand my database and we will create one pivot table out of these two tables first. So this is my sales data which has been done during that period, and this is my target sale. Now I want to understand whether the sales done as per reason is as per the target or not. So for that, generally we will use a sum if option for each reason, or instead of doing that, I don't want to change this table, I just want to create pivot table from that. So for that we will using Power Pivot option. So first I will select my first table. I have given that this name as a sales, so just click on this table and then go to the Power Pivot and just click add to the data model, one thing only. So it will open the Power Pivot option where this model will be added. Now just only one table is added, just close this. Now I want to add this table also. So another option of adding this to pivot table, you can also go to the insert tab, create pivot table from data and range, and just click add this to the data model. Just click OK. It will work the same way. If you go to the Power Pivot, now these two tables I have added to the data model, then you can go to the Manage tab. This Power Pivot option will open, and if you see these two tables, sales and budgets, are available there. But still these two tables are separate. There is a linkage of this region, same region. I have to create a link between that. How to create link between these two, so that I can create one pivot table? So you can just convert into the diagrammatic view. So I can enlarge this. So these two tables I have. Now I have to create a region. Just click on the one cell which you want to create and then click on another. You have to just press the control key and press the other, and then right click. You have to just drag this, and you want to link it this region, just do that and see it sets created a relationship there. Here one means this budget has this region only the one time, and the star means that in this case region is coming multiple times. So now relationship has been created. You can also check this by clicking the manage relationship, that this has been created, sales relationship has been created. You can also create by this way. Now this relationship has been created. Now my work has been done. You can just go back to your data view, and here you can't see a relationship, and if you are into a diagrammatic view you can able to see the relationship as created. Now work is done, two tables are connected. Now you can also create multiple relationship. Right now in this table there's only reason. If you have this match, you can also match it, but right now it's not available. So just click on this pivot table final report. So here's a multiple option. You can create 4 chart tables. Now right click. Right now I want only pivot table. Just click on pivot table and click OK. Now see these two tables are showing there, and there is no line break. This means these are connected. I just click reason to the row and target sales to the value. Now this sales amount into the value. Now this sales amount is linked with this region, and so by default it's giving me the answer. Now it's by default showing that if I convert this format to number, it show out of the 50 lakh target. Right now sale is 44 lakhs, less by around 4 lakh, 5 lakh something, 38 lakh. Only south region has crossed the target sale. So By this way you can create simple basis one pivot table from the multiple table. Even you can add any other table there and then go to the Power Pivot, manage, and can create multiple relationship between table and create a pivot table with ease. Now another feature of this Power Pivot is that you can add some measure also. Suppose I want the difference between target sale and sale amount, so that I want to understand variance here. So just go to Power Pivot, add measure, new measure. Here I want my measure name should be the variance. So my formula should be, I just have to check this formula should be the sum of the target sale and sum of sales. You just have to type and you will get the detail of where is available. Sum of target sale, just double click that, minus sum of sales amount, double click this and click OK. Work done. My variance is available there. So by this way I will able that it has to achieve this 5 lakh, 1 lakh. It has already achieved that. So by this way you can create a pivot table with ease. So hope you like this video.